Good morning. Afternoon, I should say. We got a couple more minutes to go in the morning session. How we guys doing? How we doing? Crazy sell-off. I did trade the open, and then I took a break. I just got back, so let's see what we got going on. Damn. Gonna be one of those days that I have to be careful with. Yeah, I requested a payout for this account. I never saved this, so it always resets. It's still pending. Have I seen the latest reviews on Apex payout denial? Nope. I have not. Well, and there's a lot of people that are breaking the rules or are caught and they don't want to admit. So I saw $35 million paid out in the last 3 months in a row. So people that are not getting paid are doing something that's not allowed. Do I agree with what's not allowed? No, but it's not allowed. So they could all sound legit. I mean, it's fine. Then don't use them, and don't use them if you don't feel comfortable. Don't use them. You got fast track, you got bull knocks, you got top step now with some great rules changes. You know, you got plenty of prop firms. Use whoever you feel comfortable with, and don't waste your breath or time on something you don't like. Mark, so typically I aim for like 50, 60, 70 to 80 ticks per trade, right? On my trades. If I take that with full amount, that is passing an eval, right? If I could take that with 10 contracts, 61 ticks, literally 15 points. This is how much you need to pass an eval with 10 contracts. Just that kind of movement. It's what I do aggressively, and sometimes when I'm up in one, I'll short on the other one if I have to, if I don't feel like it's going to hit the target. Sometimes let's say I'll long one here, now long another one down here, and one of them is going to pass, one might fail, but you know, so it's like I'm definitely more aggressive on evals. So it's only good if you're getting payouts. Like right now I'm not doing any because I am trying to get more payouts first. If I was trying to pass evals slowly, I would scalp for like 7 ticks with big contracts. Slowly as in, well, you could also scalp, right? You could also scalp. That's how I've passed my 150k evals, is scalping. Like I'll get it now without a target and just sell as soon as it pops a little bit. And just do that. Todd, try QUANTOWER or Sierra charts. They will probably not get trading view. I don't have a video on that, no. I don't have any strategy videos. I changed my style of trading, so it's like then people are commenting on it like months later, and I don't know what they're even commenting about, so it's not worth making videos. Plus, when it doesn't work, people hate scalping when it doesn't work. They leave the worst comments. Let's see what we got. You could, yep. If you do 7 ticks with 5 contracts, it adds up pretty quickly. You just gotta be able to get it right. There's 0 rules for evals. Evals have no rules whatsoever. At this moment. When there were 7 days to pass, then I traded them a little bit differently sometimes. I would make $500 a day or something. Microscalping is not allowed on my funded futures, on elite trader funding, and like one up trader, for example. I don't think anyone uses one up trader anymore, but just gonna wait. See if we could get some kind of lower low. For long. Last payout window I got approved on the 28th. But there was 30 days in July, so we'll see. Some people got approved today in my Discord, but I don't know how many. Let's see, payouts. Yeah, 5 points and like a few seconds, I think. But I did that, and they said my trading style was sim abuse. So I don't like my funded futures. That's the only prop firm I don't like. You know, plenty of people using them, and they're happy with them. So my personal issues don't matter. What a grind back up here, huh? Seems like buying every dip is just ideal. My progress on my bull knocks at 1600. So it's slow. It's $200 a day. That's what sucks about bull knocks. It takes a while to get the ball rolling, but it's 8 days in a row. The opening range trade won. Am I trading my account one at a time? No. I took a 5-minute opening range trade on this account. Just for 21 ticks. Just to see if it would work. I thought it wasn't gonna work. I thought it was gonna... It's a brand new account. So basically took a short here. It went against me a little bit. And then it hit my target. Can you scalp PA funded accounts for small win? You can. The only thing is you gotta watch your losses. How big are your losses compared to your wins? I suck at scalping when I have a stop loss in. All right, maybe first pullback here. Does oil news like move the market anymore? It used to be so violent. And now it's like, nope. Just a tiny bit. Initial balance, it prints money. Good for you. I like that. But that's only for a scalp. Matt only scalps, right? 10 points. NVIDIA earnings is tonight. I mean, after market close. I'm getting ready for a long. I would prefer it off the 405 level, but we'll see how this candle closes. How come am I not scalping for 6-7 points like you said in one of your videos? Because the risk to reward. I used to do that with no stops. Now with the stop loss, it's tough. I prefer to go for a little bit bigger wins, and that's how I've been able to survive. I mean, I've been red so often, and I just come back. Really no strength right now in this move. See, there's like no strength. I feel like the trap is gonna be 406. Yeah, I know it's looking bearish, but I'm trying to go counter what it looks like. The only thing is now, if it makes a new low, then there could be a trap here. We kind of had that earlier. Saw it. Like here. See how it makes a new low? So many people go long here, they get wicked. They get slammed. That's the trap here. Oh, I'm in. Start the day off with a nice red trade as always. Come on. It could sell off blank, Johnson. I don't see why not. I'm usually wrong on my first trade of the day, so today might not be any different. But Pablo, yesterday people told me I should have shorted too, and I won. So can't listen to chat. You gotta trade your own plan. Don't listen to me, and don't listen to anyone in chat. You trade your own plan. Simo, I'm sorry. It's making head and shoulders right now, so it's gonna stop me out for sure. I never win my first trade of the day. There's no different. Used to short these all the time, but now I just kept losing, so now I'm longing them. I'm still losing, but I'm in my comfort zone. One more attempt at this. I like this level more than that one, but I break even at this point. I should just go now if it doesn't. Come on, let's push one more time. My stop might be too tight. Oh, oh, come on. If it breaks this candle, we should be good. Nope. Maybe? No? Should I just flatten it? Cut the loss in half? Nah. Annoying, 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 annoying. Damn, 50 ticks. Should have just taken it. All right, at least the stop was good. Less annoying now. Mark, that's not gonna work. If I take 1 micro on the first trade, guess what? It's gonna be a winner. I guess so. I didn't see any videos or anything, any emails. I'm assuming it's still, they just extended with their whatever was. Right? They didn't send an email. Let's see if we're gonna head back to the lows. Quite a big range this morning. The lifetime is only on large accounts. I don't see why they would do that. Let me see if I could ask someone. Oh wait, maybe in their Discord. let's say. Yeah, I paid $85 yesterday for a new account. Ooh, look at this strength. Maybe third time the charm. It's a lot of strength on that candle. I get rid of this line. Come on, entry should be at 414. Kind of jumped the trigger there, but oh, tight stops is tough. I like the trade. I just don't like my stop at all. Oh, better now. Come on. What a chop. Come on. I know it's 12, but it's chopping shorts and longs. Lavi, yeah, I was doing the best in the afternoons and in the lunchtime afternoon. So that's why I started streaming at this time. So we'll see, kind of testing it out. I don't think that really matters, to be honest. Come on. Why we have to be stuck in this? All right, another loss. Bull Knox did not stop out, did it? I don't know why. See, like copy trader is just acting up. Bull Knox did not stop out. I'm still in my Bull Knox trade. Actually, no. It's just showing I'm in the trade, but I'm not. Annoying. Today is freaking annoying. I am going against the trend, but damn, like, come on. Like, it should bounce. This is the trend right now. Getting fed up with this. Might just take 10 ticks at a time. I think I would be green every single day if I just took small gains. That's how different trading is. But when I go for small gain, I can't go for small gains. Of course it doesn't have to, but it doesn't have to go lower anyway, too, right? Since when does the market trend all day? How many days out of the year does the market trend all day? Think about it. A lot less than when it bounces. And I'm not trying to find the bottom. I'm not buying the lows here. I am buying the lows where I feel like there's support. Yes, the $85 is still going on, I'm assuming. I know the trend is down, but every time I go with the trend, I get destroyed because the market reverses in the most violent possible way. So no matter what I do, it doesn't matter. The market will do the opposite when it doesn't work. So it's, trust me. There's a reason why I go counter trend. It's all good. It's all good. I appreciate the support, guys. We'll get it back. This is day number 11 of the same shit. I mean, when was the last time I was green to start the day? I don't know. Really don't remember last time I was green to start the day. So it's just a normal occurrence. Could have been green, could have just scalped, and would have been way better off than trying to hold, but that's what we got. I mean, I can't blame this on the price action. Today, like, the price action I didn't like was like the July, early August price action. That was crazy, but this to me is not really... This is not really bad. The big usual suspects. Why? When you're already a millionaire, so why do you care what I do? If I made 350,000 and you're better traded than me, then you're pretty much a millionaire. Yeah, I mean, it's again, take my profit early on, I'm green on every trade. I did not take my profit, reversed, I lost. It's all good. Ron, yeah. It's the same as trading on evals, you know? Every time I go short with the trend, the market reverses. I mean, I blew my last set of accounts because the market reversed so violently. It looked so bearish and reversed the same way it reversed here. It did it. You know, market doesn't trend very often, where it starts to head down and ends the day like that. Usually nothing goes straight down or straight up. What is my threshold on these 50K accounts? I have like $1,600 left. Because the highest of the account was 900 and now I'm down $800 of drawdown. So slowly but surely gonna get it back. Just need another green day, that's all. Yesterday we had a really good green day. Today hopefully is a green day as well. Yeah, fast track is definitely good. Once I get my groove, once I'm going with the trend and not counter trend, and I'm winning on 80% of my trades instead of losing on my 80% of my trades, I'll be doing fast track as well. And I'll be syncing it right with my Apex accounts. I'll be getting back to 20 Apex accounts and hoping for like 100K month to end the year. Just gotta figure something out. I mean, small differences. Take my profit. I mean, that's what I used to do. I used to make money with 5 ticks. Now I'm getting like, 20, 50, 20 to 50 ticks, and I'm letting those trades lose. That's where I'm kind of changing styles. But then like yesterday, I get that one big win that kind of saves me as well. So it all depends. If I go for 15 ticks, I'm not going to get 15 ticks. I have to look for 50, 60, 70 ticks, and then I'll get 15 ticks. Does that make sense? Because I tried scalping for 10 ticks, and I couldn't get 2 ticks in my favor. But I think that the market will give me a good opportunity. It's lunchtime right now. I'm thinking 30 ticks is my comfortable level. I feel like 40 ticks is too much. Like 40 ticks, you lose twice, you're down 400 bucks. I think that's just too much. So I'm going to go to 30. That makes me way more comfortable. Losing $150 a trade doesn't add up as quick. With 10 ticks, can you make money? Yes, you can. My opening range trade is 20 ticks, and I made some serious money with it. And that's 1 trade a day. So if you do 10 ticks, few trades a day. Kevstar, Kevstar, I have been losing every single day for the last 10 days. And then making it back majority of the time. So I figured, along with chat, that probably should just start streaming later, since I read the price action better in the afternoon. Well, it turns out to be not the case, and it turns out to be I like to start red no matter what time I trade first, and then I'll make it back. Maybe I just trade better when I'm in a drawdown. I don't know, but the viewership is pretty good in the afternoon too, because obviously there's less streamers as well. So that's cool, and I kind of get to do a couple things beforehand, so I get to be a little bit productive in the mornings as well. So it's not bad. Do I want to continue this though? I'm not 100% sure. Apex doesn't pay anymore. Oh, seriously? Holy shit, guys. Apex doesn't pay anymore. Jesus. Everyone got paid on August 15th, and now it's August 28th, and there hasn't been a payout window in between, but Apex doesn't pay. Holy shit. Two months, David. For who? Oh, you didn't get paid. So it's different than Apex doesn't pay, but give us some details. We like to hear stories like that. Asking for videos, that's totally normal. Well, totally normal as in right now. That's what Apex has been doing. Apex normal, exactly. Futures spinning. Oh, hold on, guys. Like, I love the momentum of My entries are just bad. I mean, the trend line is still down, so I'm not gonna get in yet. It broke it a tiny bit. Let's see if it closes above it. At the same time, it is making new lows. Wow. Why is my stop so... Oh, it's because it's 30 ticks. All right. All right. That's a good start, I guess. Is that it? Or is there going to be another push? Probably going to hit the target, but I definitely want to... Oh, fuck. Damn it. Would have been back to break even there. Yeah, damn. Missed out on quite a lot. It doesn't seem like a lot, guys, right? Because the range is crazy. But this is... I got 47 ticks out of 70. That's a huge difference. Matt, yeah, for bull unlocks, you got to make basically 3,100 to take out $500. So the first 2,600 you can't take out. I know, Ron. I just had a little PTSD from my previous 2 trades. So many stories of people blowing up their accounts while waiting. Well, that's because they're not consistent trading, right? They're not trading consistently, so can't blame the prop firm for that. They can only blame themselves for that. You started trading yesterday, Ron? Like legit, your first ever day was yesterday? Oh, Ron, you're in for a treat. You're in for a... Don't expect to make money for a while, Ron. That's the biggest thing. Don't stress about it. Just keep your costs to the minimum, meaning don't get a lot of accounts. Take your time. Don't expect to make money right away. If you make money right away, that's even worse than not making money right away, because then you're gonna think it's normal. I trade while pending. Would I trade now while pending? I don't know, but in the last payouts I did trade when I was pending. Yeah, Ron, if you have any hair, expect it to either fall out or turn gray. If you have any heart conditions, you might want to click this button here and just call it. Marriage. I try not to get stressed. I just get frustrated now. My blood pressure doesn't go up with trading anymore. It used to. It's gonna be another leg up. See, this is the move I wanted to catch here. So it's like I wasn't that far off from getting the right idea. Okay, right now this could be a trap here for short, so I'm gonna wait. I've definitely gained weight. But I gain weight not because of trading. I gain weight because of streaming. Streaming is definitely time consuming and I don't create much content, but if I was to create content, I would be staying on the computer for another hour or 2 or 3 after streaming to create content. So definitely less active. Mhm. Is Rhythmic working for everyone? I don't know. I haven't heard any issues. Seems to be working. Long over the highs, potentially, but we might be chopping around here for a little bit. Wilson Capital in my Discord was asking same questions you guys. Is this the new Apex norm? Waiting for approval till the last day. Pretty much. It seems like that's the new norm. And that's why I don't complain. People complain all the time. And I feel like that has something to do with it, where it's like everyone's complaining, oh, this guy got approved before me. I sent my request a little bit before them. Or how is it fair that they got approved, 5 days before I did? And with that many requests, they just can't approve everyone at the same time. So I think what they're doing now is just pre-approving. And then last stage, you just hit that, master button, approve, and that's it. If you don't like it, luckily you have options. Could be their strategy to reduce buyouts as well. I'm sure there's gonna be some people that lose. But again, Apex and prop firms make money when we lose money. So if you want them around, that's how it's gonna be. No, for bull knocks, you have to request the payout on Friday. If you request the payout today with bull knocks, you're going to get it next Wednesday. Bull knocks is genius marketer. Whoever designed the payout process is a genius marketing tactic. Bull knocks payouts are slower than Apex. Well, bull knocks, you can't get 2 payouts in 1 month. That's what I'm saying. With Apex, you could get 2 payouts in 1 month. With bull knocks, you can't. With bull knocks, it comes out to 3 payouts per 2 months. So 1 month you'll get 1 payout, 1 month you get 2 payouts. But bull knocks goes unlimited after 3 payouts, I believe. So it's pretty quick. David, just send me an email of everything you got and we'll talk about it. Because I can't keep up. Just send me an email with everything. Your proof of denial and all that stuff. And then I'll take a look and we'll talk about it on stream. Why would I be afraid of Apex? Have you checked out Fast Track Trading yet? No, I will not be trying Fast Track until I get these accounts close to payout. So there's no point of me spending money on more accounts when I'm trading poorly, especially when they don't have a lot of drawdown, because I would do the rally accounts. Right now, I am just focused on developing a new, not new, but, you know, developing something that's going to work more often. Bowser, let's see. Can you activate 3 bull knocks accounts at the same time? The first 3 accounts, yes. But then the other accounts, you can't. So the other accounts are 1 at a time. But yeah, first 3 accounts, yes. And then after that, it's 1 at a time. Then once you get the 4th account to threshold, then you could add another one. It was in their email. They sent out an email last time, and it's also in their Discord. But I don't know about this promo. I guess they just extended it, because I didn't see anything. I see that it's 80% off, so I'm assuming they just extended everything. They're probably going to send an email today. Grand Prix, that's 150K. Oof, that's expensive. I can't seem to make a lot of money in one day, so for me it's tough. Because what, 150,000, you got to make like 7,500 to get a payout, no? Pinkman, because yeah, that's the marketing tactic I'm talking about. Because technically, yes, it's every 10 days, but it's 10 days of trading. However, you have to request the payout on Friday, then you get paid on Wednesday. And then from Wednesday is when it starts to count day number 1. So you're missing 3 days. And then you're going to start trading from Wednesday. 2 weeks later on Wednesday, that's 10 days. But you're not going to get paid to the following Wednesday. And then it's going to be the following Wednesday, the next 10 days starts. I could pull up a calendar and we could go over it. I mean, I've been doing it. It's not bad. I mean, you just get in the groove. It's really, you just need a system, guys. If you're working on the trading system, you need a system that you could trust and you could trade every day. And then you don't have to worry about the payout windows or anything like that. Hopefully I don't miss a trade here, but all right. So you have day number 1, right? Let's say, I don't know what day you're going to start. Let's say you start on a Monday. That's going to be the best case scenario. You're going to start on the Monday with Bull Knocks on the 6th of May, let's say. So you got 6. This is 10 days, 17th, right? So on the 17th, you could request a payout. Then you're going to get paid on the 22nd, and that's when it starts to count the next 10 days. So now you have 22nd, 23rd, 24th. We're going to ignore that this is a holiday. So we have another 10 days here, right? No, sorry, that's 8 days. And then you need to trade for 2 more days. And then you still got to wait till Friday to request a payout. I mean, you could request it here and just wait till the 12th. So we had a payout on the 22nd, on the 12th, and now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Request on the 28th and get paid on July 3rd. So you started beginning of May, you got 1 payout on 22nd, 1 payout on the 12th, and then 1 payout on the 3rd. So that's how it works. I don't know if I'm missing a trade. Kind of, but. I don't know if Apex Discord is still open. It's just announcements at this point. Is it the same with Fast Track Trading? No. Fast Track Trading does not have payout windows, just 10 days. See? Can we talk about why I go counter trend? Can we talk about this again? Why I look for longs here? Not here. I'm looking for longs here when I already made the bounce. Now you kind of understand. I know it's counter trend. I know all that stuff, but there's a reason for it. Have I ever had a problem with bull knocks paying out? Nope. The only problem I had was in the beginning where I didn't submit the paperwork properly. But always on time. Made around 70,000 with bull knocks in total payouts. So it's not a lot, but I've only had 3 accounts at a time. So it's not bad. I wish bull knocks would let you have 11 accounts right away. Then I would, oh man, I would abuse the hell out of bull knocks. But it's also expensive. And you can't take out the safety net. So that one of the reasons why I like bull knocks is because you can't take out the safety net. So you have an automated cushion in the accounts, but you do have to trade better to get to payout. Right? You got to make $4,600 instead of, or no, you got to make $4,100 instead of 26. Oh, you could abuse the shit out of fast track. I'm not even gonna, I don't even want to get started. Don't want to ruin it. There's no commissions on fast track trading. There's no scaling plan on fast track trading. You could get payouts with trading one tick at a time. It's, I don't know how that's sustainable, but if you want to talk about sim abuse, I don't think they, I think they will last. They might just have to change some rules eventually. Yeah, it's FTT_wedding. Four micros per account PAs. Can I adjust the size if risk is different? Yeah, you can. The biggest thing is Apex doesn't want you. I definitely have a little bit of FOMO here. Apex doesn't want you getting close to payout and then sizing down. Right? You're trading two minis and all of a sudden you're trading 5 micros because you're close to payout or you're at payout. They don't want that, basically. Apex has so many rules to make you fail, yeah, but still, people are not failing. Still, people are still taking out $35 million. So maybe it was for the worse. Maybe with no rules, people traded worse. Now people are using stop losses. They're not blowing up accounts left and right. You could just send them a wire as long as you're in the US. It's pretty quick from what I've heard. I would just do wire transfer. I don't know how to do Bitcoin stuff. That's so weird. Oh man. That's the move we wanted. It's gonna go back to the VWAP. 512. It's 1 o'clock already, damn. I don't think anyone says it's for the people. I don't know where you're getting that from, but I actually said it before. prop firms make money when we lose money, so we should be happy that they're surviving. It's a cutthroat business. It's just like the real markets. You think they want the small guys to make money? No. I don't like the Apex rules, like the changes, but at the same time, I am just taking advantage of an opportunity that I didn't have when I started trading. I made 100-something thousand since the rule changes. I really didn't affect me much until the market conditions changed. Sun Park, you could trade with all the prop firms. That's the biggest thing. That's my goal. My goal is to trade with all of them eventually. If they're not, Dr. J, if they're not making money, then they're gonna be gone, right? Yeah, JPS, I made 60,000 in July. Obviously, that's after the rule changes. I was trading a lot better. I was very consistent. I mean, look, I'm trading very badly now. Think about it. I'm trading so bad. And I've had these accounts for 10 days and I have not blown them because of stop losses. If I was not using stop losses, these accounts would have been long gone and Apex would have gotten another set of money from me. Now they're not getting any money from me because the accounts are still here. So depends how you look at it. What was the changes that affected me the most? The most would be the opening trade and not using stop losses. I loved not using stop losses. That was just my thing. I was very comfortable with losing. If I knew I didn't have a stop loss and I knew I wasn't going to get played by the market. Basically right here, I would be longing and not stopping out. If it stopped me out and I was completely wrong, I'm fine. But if it just pulled back a little bit, I wasn't getting stopped out. And then all I had to do is just make sure I'm in the right direction of the market. I didn't have to have a very precise entry. Ticking trades, yeah, I took it on this account. I mean, I took only 20 ticks, but I took the 5-minute opening trade. Took a short right at the break of the lows here on this candle. All right, we're just climbing higher and higher now. Trades by Slade. I need to get my revenge with top 7 bull knocks. Those are the only prop firms I'm not profitable with. That's what I did. That was one of my goals for this year as well, to be profitable with every prop firm. And I did that. I even did it with Elite Trader Funding because I had Elite Trader Funding accounts from like 2022 or whatever it was. So the only prop firm I am not profitable with right now is Lilu. I was 1 day away from payout with Lilu. I think they had a 30-day policy for payout, so you have to trade for 30 days. And I was on day number 29, and I blew the account. It was like $4,500 in it. Top step, I'm barely profitable. We bounced off the 200 moving average. Can also why is my mouse not working? My mouse broke. Oh, because my elbow was on the keyboard. You need 5 days, but you need 5 big days, and getting 5 big days is not easy. With Top Step, and you have to make the same amount of money as any other prop firm to get a payout. It's the same thing. Unless you are brand new and you are happy with $500, then that's fine. I mean, I wouldn't take a $500 payout. Yeah, but that's only $500 in payout, and then you blow the account because you only have 500 left in drawdown. That's not worth it. That's not gonna make you rich. That's even if you get 20 accounts. I mean, not 20. You get 5 accounts, you get $500 payout. I mean, that's really not much. You need decent cushion on the accounts, and once you take a payout with Top Step, you lose all your drawdown. Your account balance is the stop. So if you make $500, I mean, $1,000 in 5 days, and you take out $500, you're only gonna have $500 left in drawdown. Doesn't matter what size account it is. It could be a 150K account with $4,500 in drawdown. You make $1,000, you take out 500, you lose all your drawdown, and the left, wherever's left in the account is your drawdown. That's it. People don't realize that. That is one thing I wish Top Step would change. Is that the same for Apex? No, because Apex makes you make more. There's an 80% off promotion. Mahi, what is the point of you being here? Please explain to me, what is the point of you being here, and tell me how many payouts have you received from Top Step? Please share with me. Have you made $50,000 from Top Step? If you have not, you should maybe stop complaining and get to work and get some money instead of complaining on the internet about something that makes no difference. Apex is done. Apex paid out $35 million for the last 3 months in a row. They just paid out, they're going to pay out someone $2 million and someone $1 million. If you think Apex is done, that is totally fine. It's your opinion, and you just don't trade with them. It's fine. I mean, no one's forcing you to trade with any prop firm. Pedro, we have almost 350 likes. You just got to refresh the page. It doesn't auto refresh the likes for some reason. It would be nice if they reset your account drawdown each payout. That would be sick. That would be not profitable, but that would be sick. But the thing is, you could do that yourself, right? You just gotta, the first payout, you just gotta grow the accounts to double the payout. So roughly on the 50K account, you want to make $4,500 to $5,000. And then you get a payout and you have full drawdown still. And then you just got to make a couple $100 and you could get another payout. That's the beauty of it. With Apex, you don't have to make a lot of money. Once you're at threshold, you don't need to make a lot of money every 10 days to get a payout. The thing is, there's so many great prop firms out there. Do you hear me complaining about my funded futures? How they don't like me, how all this, how it's, you know, it's BS, all that stuff? No, like I just don't use them. And now they don't even allow me to trade with them. But before that, I chose not to use them. But I'm not out here complaining about them. They've denied many payouts too. If you don't follow the rules, they have rules for a reason. All right, let's see. Yeah, with Apex, it's a good payout threshold. So it's, you make $2,600 and you take out 2,000. So you get to take out pretty much 90% of your profit. And you don't waste a lot of time and you still get some drawdown. You still get, let's say, $500 worth of drawdown. It's not a lot, but if you're going to risk $200 per trade or $150 per trade, you got 3 shots to make some profit on that account to get it back. And many times I saved an account with $500 in drawdown, many times. I always take out the full. Every single payout I took, except for one, I took the full payout. And the second time I didn't take the full payout is when I had unlimited payout. I left a cushion in the account. I could have taken out like 9 grand. I took out 6,200. Well, Danny boy, that's the learning curve, right? That's the sad part of trading. But if not Apex or the prop firm space, you would probably be out of the game by now. If you took the losses you took on prop firms on the physical account and the real account, you'll be out of the game. When can you take out unlimited? After 4 months. I've had a few accounts unlimited, but only one of them I actually grew where I took out more. Can you do the payout calendar if you start on the Monday? I did that already. The only thing is with Bullnox, you got to make $4,100 to get a full payout. So in 10 days, you got to make $4,100. That's not easy to do. I'm on day 10 already on my Bullnox account. Day 8, not 10, but I'm only at 1,600. I'm only 1/3, a little bit over 1/3. I just make $200 a day. $200 a day. I keep pressing my keyboard. Does Bolnox do or have they done big single payouts? Well, they don't keep track. My biggest payout with Bolnox was pretty much 11,000, one single payout. The cool thing with Bolnox, you know how they say first $10,000 to a trader is without commission, and then after 10,000 they take 10%. It's 10,000 per single payout. It's not per trader. I took out like $70,000 from Bolnox, whatever it is, over the 2 years, and okay, and they didn't take a single dime from me. It's 10K per payout. So if you request 15,000, they're gonna take 10% out of your 5,000 in that payout, but not overall. Next payout, if you take out 5,000, they're not taking anything from you. I'm assuming the payout, I mean the lifetime promo is still active for all the accounts. All right, let's see if we get a sell off here. I'm assuming they extended it. It was supposed to end yesterday. I'm assuming they're gonna send out an email today. I thought Bolnox was second best, but right now I think Fast Track is a little bit better than Bolnox. But Fast Track is, again, I mean, it depends how you look at it. It is expensive, so you could get hurt quicker. Bolnox takes forever to activate accounts. That is the biggest con of Bolnox. How long they take to activate your accounts. You got to email them, and it's like 2-3 days before you actually get your account, and it's just annoying. And sometimes, like, you could get it on the Monday, they won't give it to you on the Monday. They'll send it to you on Monday afternoon once the market's closed, because they know if he doesn't trade on Monday, he can't get a payout for 3 weeks now instead of 2 weeks. Full throttle. It's pretty much my second Red Bull. This one has more caffeine though. 160 milligrams. But I literally sip on it the whole stream. It's still like halfway full. So it's like, it's not that much caffeine. It's not like I chug it. Five-star trading. I'm not sure what do you mean by that, because take profit I'm the least experienced with. I have no idea how they operate, to be honest. Why don't I start a prop firm? Because it costs a lot of money, a lot of stress. That question should be asked to Patrick or to Matt. Or Tanya, maybe. They make the most amount. But I think you probably need a couple million to start a prop firm. But I don't know how good it is now. Like establishing a new prop firm now, it's hard because a lot of people think it's a scam. So you have to really prove quickly that you're not. So I don't know. I think like Flexi Trade and Earn Max kind of ruined it for a lot of people. Yeah, Patrick is in top 1% of earners in the US for sure, in my opinion. Let's see what the top percent makes. Oh, I'm gonna be in top 1%. So Patrick's gotta be in top 1%, only 650. What? Wow. I'm gonna be in top 1%. Yeah, it says household too, so I don't know if that combines two people. Oh, this is what I've seen. This is the one I looked at in the past. How can you make the top 1%? Become a trader. No. OnlyFans. I've never seen anyone get paid by Flexi Trade, so I don't know. Versus like Fast Track, right away I was seeing payouts. Trade bomb, nice. Don't touch it. Trade bomb, make sure that actually 301, it rounds it up, so you should be fine. I don't know, was Nutty or someone. So you know how on the dashboard you could round to whole numbers? So it said 3,000, so 53,000, but it was actually at like 52,999 point, 60 cents. So it was short like 30-40 cents, and they didn't get the account, and they were wondering why it was not being activated. Because see how it says 50,327? If I go to whole numbers, it's 328. So when you're at 3,000, always make sure that it's actually 3,000. No trade bomb, check. Because you don't want to go for that $1 extra and that trade doesn't work. I've failed evals from being one tick away from passing. Yes, so our Trader Pro, to close all your accounts, you're gonna shift, select all your accounts, you're gonna right click, and you're gonna pull working orders and exit positions in case if your trading platform fails. Now, it's been happening for like last few days. Sometimes QUANTOWER shows that you're in the trade. So let's say you have a target, it hits the target, and it shows that you're still in the trade, but typically you're not. So it's very important to have our trader open. Let me ask, see if I could find someone that knows the answer to that question. I'm assuming it did get extended. This is interesting. This is from my Discord. So on the rally, you got to make 1,500. No, you got to make 1,250. Not bad. Oh, it's only till tonight? That's weird. Someone just sent me a picture of them watching me in their Tesla. Blues girl. If you're still watching, what's going on? Are FTT payouts always capped? I believe so. I'm not sure. Come on, market. We got 2 hours left. I need to get another trade. 12 payouts or 8 payouts? I know it's capped to $50,000 per account or something like that. Does Bullnox have consistency for evals? Nope. YOLO the evals all you want. And the funded accounts have 40% consistency. Yeah, you need 5 days to pass. You don't need to trade for 5 days. You just need to trade for 1 day, pass it, and then open and close the trade for, you know, the other 4 days. Same as Apex used to be. Chop, chop, chop. No, I don't. Mark, use FTT wedding, I think it's called. I haven't signed up with them yet. I'm trying to keep my cost very minimal until I get some more consistency. James, it doesn't matter. The only thing is on Rhythmic, you got to turn off your market data. Will I switch to fast track? I'm not going to switch. I'm going to add fast track to I'm just going to copy trade with these accounts. Come on. Yep, Bowser, you could open multiple R traders, as many as you need. You can open an R Trader Pro for Bullnox, for Apex, fast track trading all at the same time. Do I copy trade my Apex accounts? Yes, I do. Well, it could be inverse head and shoulders, or it could be regular head and shoulders. Up $2,300 on Apex accounts? Is that per account? Bowser, it's because you are activating the market data. Pedro, I'm just working tomorrow. I just have a photo booth tomorrow, but I'm off all weekend. But then the following week I have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But next weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm doing 3 weddings at the same place. So I don't have to move my equipment from Saturday to Sunday. I could just keep my stuff set up. How do you download multiple art traders? You don't need multiple art traders to be downloaded. You just click on it and right click on it and open a new one. What is Nitro? And thank you, James, for the support. Is DJ a fun career? Yeah. It's got its stress points for sure as an owner of the business, but if you love music, and I mean, I get to eat for free, I get to drink, you know, a couple beers. You get to meet people, you get to socialize while you're working. So it's like, I legit have the 2 best jobs you could have. I work a lot. Like people don't realize, like, you know, the amount of work that gets put into a business, but it's definitely worth it. Like yesterday, we finished the stream. I had like an hour and a half break. I made some food and I had appointments from 5:30. I finished at like 8:30. Today, I only have one appointment at 6, but if I finish trading at 4, you know, you got like an hour, 2 hours, and you can't really do anything because you got to be ready for the appointment. So then it's like the day's gone. And then tomorrow I have a photo booth, so tomorrow I got to leave. But then Friday will be an outdoor stream as long as it doesn't rain. Right now it's looking nice, cloudy, and 76. It's perfect for an outdoor stream. Crack a beer at the power hour. Do a giveaway. This market's got to pick something. It's got to pick a direction. Oh, Nitro is the fast track version of QUANTOWER. Got it. I'm not even in their Discord. I don't want to be. It's being in Discords as a YouTuber. Sometimes it's tough. Can you just use fast track trading on regular QUANTOWER? Yeah, but then you got to pay for it. But if you want to trade multiple prop firms, you can't use Nitro. It's not going to let you copy trade and log into multiple prop firms. If you want to copy trade between prop firms, you can't use Nitro. Let's see. I mean, try posting a link now. I don't know if it's gonna let you. All right, all right. Yeah, you could also do that as well. You could just trade on 2 different platforms. As long as you're not copy trading between the prop firms themselves. If you're trading fast track separately from Apex, then you could have 2 separate platforms open. Your trading style seems to change a lot. Yes, it did. That's the problem because I have a friend that's using fast track trading and he had no idea about that. Like, how do you know about that? If you're not in the Discord, how the hell are you supposed to know you're supposed to do and he doesn't. I'm gonna try to help him to log into his Rhythmic and pull all the days if he ever gets to Payout to get all his days with like a journal like TradeZilla. Daniel, very nice. That's cool. Being a poker player definitely helps. Poker players and engineers make good traders. I don't know why, but Bowser, if you could send it to me, I would like to see it and see what it looks like. You don't need a sheet to have a dashboard. Oh, okay. Why do I choose to trade NQ? It's got the most solid volatile movement throughout the day. I feel like every other instrument gets slow. Where do you see your daily profit and loss now then? I'm assuming they have a dashboard of some sort. Oop. I'm gonna take a long of the trap there. We'll see. So if I'm going long, you might as well start going short because it's gonna fall apart. Actually, that was a weak close. So I'm probably not gonna get filled. Come on, just sell off so I don't have to worry about going long. Maybe off 410s would be better. Or give me a trap to go short. There we go. That's what I want. Don't tease me with the long. Just fall apart. We do have this channel here that I'm eyeing a little bit. Still weak. No, it's going to be a loss. Just can't get anything going, guys. I think it's going to be a re-entry if it holds, though. So hopefully it doesn't hold. The logic was that we have a hidden channel here and it's holding support. That is the logic. Inverse trader. At least you're standing by the name of your channel or whatever, your username. Still holding here. It's crazy how it's holding this channel. It's gonna snap. Come on, snap. All right. Hope you guys got that short. No, I was in the trade. I got stopped out. Tommy, sorry to hear about that. It's definitely tough. I mean, it's another downtrending day. I do the worst on those. But I'm like overthinking it too long side, I guess. On JX Wave, I mean, it's hard to say what the trend is. I mean, the trend is down overall, but you know how many times it bounces, and then every time you're gonna try to short, it's just gonna rip you apart because it's gonna reclaim, and then you're gonna be like, I'm never gonna chase the lows again. It's got to do the same thing, and then let the odds play out. Do I copy trade between all my accounts? Yes. We do have big earnings today. Will I trade? I don't think so. I might watch, but I don't think I'm going to trade. Unless I sacrifice 1 or 2 PAs for it. I don't know. I feel like earnings just going to get whip. You know, it's going to be a whip up and down. If I trade it. If I don't trade it, it's going to be a clean move one direction or the other. All right, down 200 bucks. So 40 ticks. Like 45 ticks, I'm down. That is going to be after 4 o'clock. I'm not sure exactly. I just don't know if I want to be here that long, to be honest. Because I'll get nothing done if I stay here till like 4:30. Very nice. Very nice job if you were short. Steve, that was supposed to be a buy signal, not a... Big move down. 100 points. Now I'm going to be looking for a long. Double bottom. I'm not going to buy the first green candle, but if it breaks the lows, then it breaks the lows. You took your short 412. Yeah, you left a little bit on the table. How is ES doing? Is ES at the lows already? Ooh, yeah. ES broke the lows a long time ago. Like 4 minutes ago. Let's see if this does the same thing. I'm gonna get a bounce. A few ticks or no? Nope. No dice. Yeah. Crazy weakness. I wish I could short, but I just know as soon as I short it's gonna reverse, and that's my problem. Thanks, Joe, for letting me know that it's gonna bounce 10 points of the lows. Insane move. Hold on, guys. I just gotta do something really quick. Damn. Oof. This is some serious selling. All right, we got to short this, I guess. This is not gonna... This is like earnings leak or something. Thank God for using a stop loss. 90% of the time, if you short the lows, you're gonna lose. This is the 10% of the time you blow an account if you short. I mean, if you long the lows. Ba-dum. So I'm glad I used the stop loss. There's really no support at all on NQ. Problem is now I can't use a stop loss. You use a stop loss now, you're gonna get wicked. Let's see if this is the bottom. It's hard to believe that it would be. I was gonna move the entry by like 2 ticks. I didn't have time. I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, everything I do is the wrong way. That's why I'm terrible with trading with stops, because I instead of shorting the top, I short the bottom. Because with the stop, I don't know, I feel like I wait for confirmation. Please sell off. All right. Ah, I have to reshort this. I knew it. See? I don't think it's the bottom yet. I mean, it could be. Down what I've made yesterday. But see, that's what happened. When I go with a trend, it just never works for me. I don't know why. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Midnight. There was like zero volume on this candle. It just was a straight flush. Look at this volume here. Yeah, it's NQ. Bright is very nice. Am I short? No. I'm not in the trade right now. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. I think tight stop loss in this range is not gonna work. I think we go lower too, but I just can't get it right unless I don't use a stop loss. Yeah, I have the hourly open. Just sucks I'm copy trading into bull knocks. I'm just ruining my opening range trade stats. Andy, I don't have enough drawdown right now, so I could get away with not using a stop loss. And I would still be within the 4 risk to 1 reward. I only have, I think, like $1,300 in drawdown left. So technically, if I'm making $300-400 on average per trade, I could risk $1,200 on the trade. So I could get away with not using a stop loss anymore. Let's see. I might have to try to save the accounts on the earnings, on at least a couple of the accounts. Like we have room. It's always these downtrending days. If I just take a day off on downtrending days, that might not be a bad idea either. Because when I do try shorts, you could see what happens. I still lose. Doesn't matter if I just don't read the shorts right, so I still lose. And my biggest green days happen to be longs when there's a decent pullback. Doesn't have to be a downtrending day, but it's a pretty big pullback, and like almost like a V-shaped reversal is when I make the most. I'll take one more stab at it here. See what happens. Might be an early weekend, guys. Might be an early weekend for me. If I don't get these trades right, it's going to be an early weekend. Have I tried 25K accounts? I've done a couple of them, yeah. I prefer going long for sure. I feel like this is what always happens when I try to go short. It always dips down and rips. It's gonna consolidate for a bit. I'm down what I made yesterday. I don't know, to be honest. Trailing is $1,300 left, or 14, depending on which account. So basically, I have 25K accounts left. But if it's true that the $85 promo ends today, that's gonna be a bummer. Nah, 250Ks. I spent so much money on 250Ks. Don't like those. Instantly against me. All right, that's gonna be it for sure. Got $1,000 left in drawdown. So I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. But I gotta see when my accounts renew actually, because I'm not paying $85 for these accounts if they're not a full drawdown. Let's see. When do they renew? September 6th. All right, I got time. All right, I got a few more days. I have 1,000, like between 1,000 to $1,100 left in drawdown. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I might YOLO a couple of them for earnings, try to make it back. So I might lose a few accounts, but we'll see. This is why I go counter trend. Yeah. I mean, I can't do anything right. It's just been, luckily my opening range trade is gonna save my life for the time being with, you know, payouts until we figure something else out. But I don't know. I'm gonna go back to watching videos. I mean, I haven't done that in a long time. I'm gonna try to watch some stuff on YouTube and see what I could pick up. Right now, what I'm doing is not working, and especially on down days. So yeah, there's an app. You could do that on Thinkorswim, or you could do that on TradingView. Earnings is right after 4 o'clock. Earnings is loud on Apex, yes. That's not news, that's earnings. I went with the trend, Mr. Pushup, and it didn't work. No, the charts are closing at 5, so the earnings will be open. The earnings should be like right after 4 o'clock, I'm assuming. It's gonna be risky, so it's gotta work. So I'm only gonna do like 3 accounts. Matty Matt, you might be right. Would you consider moving on from Apex and going back to your old style of trading? Maybe. But I just made 60,000 in July, guys. That's the thing. It's me. It's not. If I didn't use stop losses, I would have blown these accounts a long time ago. So it's not like it really matters. In the volatility like this, you are not surviving if you're not using a stop loss. When I was not using a stop loss, this wasn't happening. It's partial is the pressure on stream. Maybe I'm gonna take some time off from streaming all the accounts. Maybe I'll do what Nutty does, trade them off the stream and trade only one account on stream. You know, there's always tweaks that we could kind of try doing and seeing where it goes. I mean, it's not the end of the world. That's why I have not added more accounts. That's why I have not gotten the fast track accounts. It's just not worth it right now for me. I could limit myself to 1 or 2 trades per day, but then what's the point of streaming at that point, you know? Oh, we finally got someone. Yes. Nickel, please send me your payouts, please. I'm going to extend the stream for 10 minutes so we could see how much money Nickel NC has made. Let's see. Everyone say Nickel, send payouts. Nickel, send payouts. Nickel's going to send payouts to Alpine Trader right now. We're going to do a giveaway if Nickel has 50K in payouts. Let's go. Guys, a $50 giveaway is on the line if Nickel sends payouts. Send your payouts. We'll do a $50 giveaway. We'll do a race. We'll do a race for payouts. I mean, for $50 if Nickel, Mr. Great Trader, has $50,000 or more in payouts. Gonna wait for 5 minutes. It takes a minute to do it, but I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Daniel, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Nickel. And Nickel, what prop firm do you trade with? You can send it to my email. You'll be the second person to ever send it, so you should be proud if you do. We had one person send it. We did a giveaway. So if you're with Apex, you're gonna send me this page, okay? Your PA on numbers, all that stuff. Just send me. You know, if you show the records, then I could pretty much do the math. All right, Casey, so you want to be banned, is what you're saying? All right, Casey, you're banned as well. Good job. Haven't banned anyone in about a week. Go enjoy someone else. Casey, not Casey. Jay, I don't know if it's extended. I'm trying to find out because that's kind of something I want to know as well. Mark. All right, sounds good. You could do ACH, but we want to know how many PA accounts you've had and all that stuff too. That's very important to know. So with Top Step and stuff, you know, I don't know how you could send it, but just send it and we'll do a giveaway. And then you won't be banned. Paul, maybe I'll try that, but I'll have to do that off stream. Valdi, how do I deal with it? I have $325,000 in payouts. I'm doing better than 99% of people. So they can't really say much, right? So we try to support each other. There's a lot more support than haters, so that's always good. I've not once claimed that I'm a good trader, so it's jokes on them. I've talked about my struggles with trading one account and how multiple accounts have changed my life. My goal was to make $150,000. Everyone was cheering for me when I was looking to make $150,000. Now I made 325, and all of a sudden, the haters show up because the channel grows. I mean, that's just normal. I mean, let's put it this way. I've traded these accounts for 10 days and I lost $500. I mean, is that bad? I lost $500 so far on these accounts in 10 days. I mean, I would say that's pretty much break even. Yeah, it's been tough. Futures Matic. Maybe I should. Trader tabs. That'd be funny. Yeah, I got wrecked in July, and then August kind of just has like end of July, and then August kind of just continued. Yeah, the trailing drawdown is what's gonna get me really, but that's just really my fault. Pinkman, so how it works with Apex is your losses cannot be bigger than 4 times your win. So if I'm scalping for 10 ticks, my loss should not be more than 40 ticks. I feel like when I scalp like that, I do poorly. However, if I go for 10 ticks and not have a stop loss, I'll do decent. The main difference though is this. All right, here's the math and here's the this is the strategy. You have multiple accounts. You don't trade all of them at once. Obviously with scalping, you're going to take some losses. But the key is you don't lose on most of the accounts. You lose on only a couple of the accounts. And therefore, what do you call it? You're gonna get some to pay out. You have 20 accounts, 10 get to pay out. You're making 20 grand. I mean, that's great. So tomorrow I'm gonna do the opening range, 5-minute opening range trade. See if it works on all the accounts. It's per account, per username. I don't know exactly how they calculate it. The problem is I'm on YouTube, right? I can't get away with anything that's gray, a gray line. Uh, who's teaching that 1 to 4 RR can win? How about this, Casey? 20 ticks. and risk the whole account. $2,500 loss for 20 ticks and make 80 grand a month. How about that? It's possible. Done it. Not making shit up. Done it. Strategy summary. No, not right now. Nope, no payouts. Probably working on them. How much left? Around 1,000. Like a little bit over 1,000. Well, if I take the 5-minute ORB, that's not my opening range trade. That's a different trade. 5-minute ORB is just taking the break of the 5 minutes. That is allowed on Apex. That has nothing to do with. It worked here. I'm just gonna check a few more days. 9:30. It worked here. Worked here. I ended up working here, but that's a big stop loss though. Oh no, it worked. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing. 5-minute opening trade. See if it works at all. Dennis, appreciate you. Davis. Gonna wait 2 more minutes. But I'm also gonna probably stop trading all the accounts at once eventually. If I lose these sets of accounts, I'm gonna go back to the other way of trading, be less afraid. I think trading all the accounts at once, when you're not doing well, just makes it worse. Snake Eyes, I will. I just won't be on stream anymore. I'm gonna try to save a couple of these accounts. Now it's probably gonna sell off. No, I don't, AC. I gotta do some evals. Do you ever look at Bookmap? No. How is the Porsche? It's good. Close to 1,000 miles, so halfway to break-in. Track day is gonna be in October, so definitely gotta attend it. AC, welcome to the Green Club, Members Club. Appreciate that. If we do a giveaway, you'll have 4 entries. Okay, you took a little while, so just make sure it's very clear and obvious that it's you. Don't worry, guys. I have ways of doing a check to make sure it's his payouts, because you could just go to any discords and get payouts, right? But let's see. Real, which prop firm is that with? What Porsche do I have? I have a Porsche 911 2024. I got it about 324 year to date. Crazy life changing money. I don't know about life changing. Not for me. It's great. I'm not complaining. I mean, it allowed me to build a cushion. Allowed me to buy my car, and still have savings left from that. And I feel like I'm saving more money than ever. Okay, I got something. I wanted to see how many PA accounts you have. And you only got to 2 payouts from each account. That means... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. No, no. So that qualifies for 66,000. There might be a giveaway. I'm just confirming a couple few things here. Because actually no, that's pretty good. I mean, it's can't tell me PAs. It's around 60 PA accounts. It's not bad. But we'll do a giveaway. I think I could trust it. I mean, really no reason. And how I kind of confirmed it was, you see the screenshot here, 139. So that's why I don't really need more proof. All right, so we're gonna do a $50 giveaway. Second time ever on stream, so it's pretty cool for that. But his payouts are brand new, just started game payouts. I mean, 2 payouts is not, it's not a reason to shit on other people, Nickel. And if you like shitting on other people, then I feel sorry for you, and karma will get to you, just so you know. Because I have $325,000 in payouts, and I have not went once into any stream telling them they don't know how to trade. All right. It's gonna be a quick giveaway, guys, because I'm not wasting time. So it's only gonna be 5 minutes to enter, okay? Go, go, go. No, Alpine, why do you go counter trend all the time? Blah, 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 blah. Well, I wish I could just, maybe I just trade off stream sometimes. Who cares to trade all on stream, right? What a long. What a long. Two minutes left. 2 minutes. Hmm. Oh. Frustrating. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Enter, enter, enter. Got 1 minute left on the timer. Nice. Nice, Peter. That's how it starts. Hopefully you do better than me now. I mean, I've just been going up and down. I mean, I've had these accounts for 10 days. I'm down 500 bucks on them. The trailing drawdown is getting me, but just can't get anything going on a consistent basis. So it's just frustrating. But again, no stress, just frustration. Not even, I mean, if not for YouTube, I could care less, to be honest. YouTube just adds a little bit more frustration because you want to perform. But other than that, It does not matter. All right. The winner of the $50 giveaway. Just gonna pick one person, guys. No race today. It's gonna take too long. Ready? Good luck. And Trader Z. Is Trader Z in attendance? I feel like I haven't seen his name. He's not here. I guess I'm gonna keep it. Just kidding. One more minute. When this candle closes and Trader Z does not respond, we'll pick someone else. And this is crazy. This is insane. I use OBS, Joe. Nickel, you have $60,000 in payouts, right? From Apex 66 with 55 PAs and 2 payouts per PA. You're acting as if you haven't lost. Let's take a breather, okay? Let's relax with the confidence. If you were a great trader, you would be at above me, not below me, right? Takes time. All right, the candle closed and no response. Sorry, Zed, but if you're watching on delay, you're gonna be disappointed. All right, next winner is going to be Marcelo. Is Marcelo in here? There he is. All right, send me your Venmo or your PayPal to my email. Congrats. Mr. Bags, yeah, they haven't approved any payouts yet, pretty much. They'll be approving everything. I'm assuming the last day, like they did in July. No, not Marcelo. I heard he's a very bad trader. Marcelo is going to spend it on some adult beverages. He's not buying evals with it. Don't you worry, Mr. Freeze. How did he prove me wrong? All right, so nickel, we'll see you at the $1 million payout mark in. But you have 55. Show me how many PA accounts you have. How is it possible that you have 55 PAs and only $66,000 in payouts? It doesn't add up if you're that great of a trader and you walk away every time. That's what I don't understand. Like, instead of being happy for everyone, like you're just bringing so much drama for no reason. Casey, that might be the first smart thing you've said. Marcel, I got your email. Thank you. All I know is good traders don't talk shit about other traders. That's like the one thing that I've noticed. So thinking you're a good trader versus being a good one, two different things. Patrick's in the house. Let's go. There we go. Pat, how do you trade in Hawaii, dude? It's like 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. A lot of drama today. Well, I'm going to be calling it a day here. I went with the trend and got destroyed, so not much I could do about it. All right, Nicole, you could just leave. No, Nickel, you're misleading the new generation of traders, making it seem like trading is easy. And that you got $66,000 in payouts with like 55 plus accounts and you think you're the best trader ever. Like, you got to relax a little bit. But it's all right. The market will humble you. Exactly, Patrick. You know, maybe you deal with the haters better than I do, Patrick. I don't know. I don't ban people quickly, so I let them get to me sometimes. Yeah, that house looks sick. I started watching the video before I went on stream. Is there an Airbnb or like a resort? Nice. That's the life. That's the life. Oh, unlike me, I gotta finish trading and then go back to work. All right, Nicole, you could just go enjoy your 66,000 of payouts. All right, go do something more useful with your life. Am I in the trade? No, I'm done for the day. I might trade the earnings, but only like 2 accounts. I only got $1,000 left in these accounts. Not sure if they're gonna survive. They renew on September 6th. So by September 6th, I either gotta save these accounts or get new ones. I don't know if there is lifetime fees. So they just sent an email. Let's see. Wow, Apex is gonna do payouts in 48 hours or less.
We reviewed with you guys and put out some voting polls on. So be on the lookout there for some announcements for these changes over the next couple weeks. So going to be some exciting stuff there. Labor Day is coming up here, so it will close early. And once again, per CME settlement, so an evaluation account in 1 day, and $85 one-time lifetime PA fees on any size account. Okay, so 80% off, 35 resets, 1 day to pass, $85 lifetime PA fees on any size there, going until September the 11th. Also, something else we've done here, just to mix it up, if you look at the website here, you'll see all rhythmic.
All right, so it's $85 still for everything, so that's not bad. So I'll try to just get new accounts, I guess, before new IT team. Blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. Hopefully they could follow through with this. Patrick, you're 36. I'm 35. I'll be 36 in December. Yeah, I'm 1988. 1988. Let's go. Oh, today's your birthday? Happy birthday, bro. Let's go. But yeah, I feel you. I don't someone asked me if I celebrate my birthday or if I do anything. I'm like, nope. I don't celebrate my birthday anymore. After 30, it's like downhill. Even though financially it's better. But what did I see the Apex video? In your email. Check your email. But yes, the lifetime accounts are extended till end of the sale, whatever that is. 6 days or something, another week maybe. Oh, 14 days. Oh, wow. So, all right. So the goal will be to get all my accounts $85 lifetime. But the new accounts, I am not going to trade all at once anymore. Just can't do it. I'm 45 and I feel like I'm 80. Nah, I'm 35 and I feel like I'm 25. What's the point of having money when you're about 40 years old? What do you even, that's actually you think 40 is, if you think 40 is old, you're going to be surprised. You're 19 and how much money you got, right? If you're rich at 19, you might feel old when you get to 40. That's true. Because you're not going to enjoy anything in life. You could get anything you want. At that point, it's once you could get anything you want, you don't enjoy it as much. It's just that's just life. I mean, think about kids. As a kid, you wanted the basic stuff, and now the kids could get the basic stuff, so they don't want the basic stuff anymore. They want the iPhones. They want this. They want that. But midnight, you're not making any sense with that. I would never trade $100 million for 30 years, being 30 years older. Obviously not, because money's not everything in life. Patrick, I don't think that's that's a concern. I think all of my followers know who you are. And I know a bunch of small channels that started trading on YouTube because of me and you and Matt. So there's plenty of drama out there. So I try to not cause more. Like the drama between Top Step and My Funded Futures. UNICT is great as well. Nah. It's comedy. It's not drama. I mean, with the ICT stuff, it's kind of just funny. Like overall, like, I don't know. Like, I don't know why everyone puts ICT in their name. Wow, midnight. I don't know, man, but I don't know what got into you. I've never seen the side of you like that. So, I don't know what you're smoking right now, but Zero DJ got approved. Let's go. All right, if you hate him, then don't watch him. Jeez. Like, are you a millionaire, Midnight? Like, are you in the top 1% or top 0.01% of earners in the US right now? Like, if you're filthy rich in your 20s, that's how you become broke as well. Just so you know. Like, look at all the athletes that got rich so quickly. They spent all their money. The ones that didn't make it long term, that is. You don't enjoy the money. If you don't hustle for it, all right, so if you're 19 and you have 200K in your bank account, how do you expect someone in their 20s have 50 million? I don't get your point. Being rich is not the same as being wealthy. Exactly. Someone linked that video. Let's see.
Hey, traders.
Yeah, that email goes out to like 250,000 people, so it's not going to be sent to everyone at the same time. And many times my Discord talks about something and then I get the email later. Usually I find stuff out from my Discord first. Am I gonna trade NVDA for an eval? Probably yes. But yeah, we're gonna try to make Q4 the best one yet. I just want to make another 175,000 for the rest of the year in 4 months. Want to count long or short? Probably just gonna put a bracket like this, and whichever one hits. I don't know how they're doing, to be honest. How is like the graphics card industry going? Is it still like crazy or what? Like, is Nvidia like up on the year? Holy shit. Wait, what? They're up 168% since last year at this time. Damn. What's with NVDA? So when NVIDIA has earnings, it's a big tech company, so NASDAQ is going to move along with it. Right? NASDAQ is the tech company. So when NVIDIA has earnings, NASDAQ is going to move. So we could trade NVIDIA earnings through NASDAQ. So that's what people are talking about. Yeah, it's going to move ES as well. Is NVIDIA in SPY? Yep. It's in ES as well. So maybe trade ES. Maybe it'd be better. That's happening around 4 o'clock. I think someone said 4:20. So like fast track trading and Top Step, I don't think you could trade after 4:10 or something like that. But on Apex Bull Knox, you can. All right, guys. So much drama. I hate losing because there's so much drama that comes out of it. Like, can we just all get along? Like, it's not that serious. Like there's someone with cancer that has a month left to live, and we're here arguing about who's a better trader. All I had to do is stick to my long biased trading and would have been fine. So frustrating. Yes, we are not the ones down 940s. Yeah, exactly. So I don't know why there's drama. If you guys are up, why is there drama? Good point. It's like as if my trading is everyone's trading. Do I think props were shut down? I don't know. I don't want to speculate on that because I have no idea. But all right, guys, I'm going to head out. I'm going to take a break for a few minutes and then I'll be back. I'm going to prep my accounts for some YOLO evals on earnings, I guess. I'm glad I didn't copy trade with this account today. So at least one account is green. That was the 5-minute opening trade. All right, guys. So we'll be back tomorrow. If I lose these accounts tomorrow, then I'm gonna take off Friday. We got $1,000 drawdown left, so most likely tomorrow is gonna be either a green day or blown accounts. I mean, today was so close to being green. It just didn't work out. These trades were bad, but these trades were pretty good. Payout approved. It seems like payouts are getting approved. I'm still pending. Still pending. Well, Green Man, that's just what they're working on. They're working on a back end way of getting the approvals done faster and more automated than manual. So they're working on stuff, so that's good. They should be monitoring accounts daily to see if you broke a rule. Well, then they will have to monitor every single account, not just the ones that got to payout. That would be way too many accounts. Appreciate you guys. I will see everyone tomorrow. No giving up. There's still hope. Not a lot left on these accounts, but hopefully I get approved too. I might get denied, but been a pretty bad streak on this account. I'm waiting for a payout. I lost a lot from since I requested the payout. I don't think I lost a lot, but prior to requesting a payout, I lost a lot. Like I did not make any money on this account from the last payout to this payout. But since it's over the threshold, I requested since I can. So we'll see if I get paid. How will I trade earnings if market is closed? Market closes at 5, not at earnings will be before that. How much did it cost you to get these 12 accounts? $85 an account. So like $1,000 plus eval. So let's say 2,000. When is the cutoff time that you could trade on Apex? 5 p.m. Eastern time. These are not my eval accounts. These are PA accounts. No, I don't want to stream the close. Why am I gonna put the pressure on myself to stream the close? It's wild, wild west. I know you guys want to watch, but I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to put too much drama and pain into it. I think I'm just gonna yellow a couple evals, and I'm gonna try to get back a couple of these accounts to profit, or at least make some profit back, I should say. But all right, guys, I'll see everyone tomorrow. I'll probably be on at 9:30 to be honest, because I'm gonna do the 5-minute trade tomorrow. It's been working last few days, so I'm gonna do it. See if I could get that going for a little bit. All right, guys. See ya. Thanks for the support. And sorry about the drama today. That's how it's gonna be until we. There's always gonna be drama, but when it's red days, it's always like that. So, but again, just down $500 over the last 10 days, up and down, just not trading well, but it is what it is. Later, guys.